Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about a minute, so I will be back and keep you updated with any trades. Okay, I have an order out at 23.50 for 500 shares to short at ALDR, just a small entry point, or small, I should say, beginning size. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. It's trying, it's working. Keeping my eye over on my other scanners too in case something else arises. All right, well, back below 23, so I'll keep you updated on it. Okay, I have an order to pick up some ACAD at 23.50. So there's the break right there. Well, there was a break, but it snapped quickly back up. So at this point, not quite the move I was looking for. I was wanting a little bit bigger push down through, but we'll see what happens. All right, have an order at 24.25 on ALDR. Hoping it can push up through there. I canceled my 23.50 just because it was starting to show a little bit too much strength. So let's see if it can get up to 24.25. First, just got to see if it can even break through that 24 round number. And I'm going to actually start the position building down there at 23.75. Seems to be struggling up quite a bit there. Also want to alert this one in the room real quick. Okay, so I got an alert out to the room. So we'll see if anybody else plays it with me. No, I didn't tell the room to short at 23.75 or anything like that. Just made note that. Okay. So I'm looking for either a very fast 15 cents on it, or I'm more than willing to build a bigger position size on it. Like I said, only 500 shares, so it's not like I'm going to make a killing on it as it stands right now. Let's see what happens here with it. All right, so got a quick 15 cents out of it. But if it goes back up there, I will just start all over again. But like I said, I'm not going to turn down a quick 15 cents if I can get it. You know, quick $75, what was that? Maybe 45 seconds. So $75 in 45 seconds. I'll take that all day long. Okay, looking for that 24.25 order that I had up there. All right, I'm actually going to move that up some, just because. There we go, got those. So all out there, now I'm up 170. Let's try 24.75. Like I said, if the market wants to give me these little increments, then I'll take those all day long. But if it wants to go up, I feel very confident to build a bigger position. So my next entry point would be at 24.75 if it can get up there. So let's see, maybe that's coming here. Actually, I think 24.85 is going to be the more preferable area. Let's see. trying to debate around to do. Should I keep it running, or I'll keep it running for a little bit. Let's see if we can get that fill. You know, at this point, I think it wants 25, so I'm going to go right up there to 25. Well, 24.99. Would it go at, it hit 24.99, I didn't get any. So I'm going to go ahead and go 25.25 now. I had my chancer, but as you saw, well, maybe you didn't see it, but it did go up there and hit it. I didn't get any shares. Okay, so I'm in there for 500 shares. Like I said, totally willing to build up more size, which looks like I'm going to be able to do. So this is good. See if it pulls back, or else if I can get some more. See if I can get some there at 60. Okay, I got those. So again, just still 1,000 shares, so nothing huge or anything like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it right now. I will keep you updated. All right, I am down at just 500 shares. I have my stop loss in for the final 500. So now I'm just going to follow these last 500 down and see what happens with it. So I don't want to get too tight with it, so I'll let it work for me a little bit here. So now I'm in a great spot because either I'm going to, the question right now is not if I make money, it's just how much money am I going to make. So let's see how much this thing wants to roll over here for me. If I can break through 50, out. So those final 500 was able to get out there at 25.82. So all in all, now at 398 on the day. And like I said, it was a good spot to be in because at that point it wasn't if I was going to make money, but how much. So I'm just kind of scanning that, thinking about if I want to try to go short right now, but that could very well just be a consolidation. So I'm happy with that. Let's see, 9:46 a.m. Market's been open 16 minutes, so I'm up 398. So not too bad for a Monday morning. All right, before I forget, I want to address the question that I always get, but rightfully so. It's a smart question. It's a logical question. But hey, Clay, how are you finding these setups? So, how did you find ALDR this morning to trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide that goes over the tools that I'm using to find these different setups, to find the different stocks that I think have potential. So if you think that could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide's very short and to the point. And like I said, it's totally free. So it's a good risk versus reward for yourself. Worst case scenario, you spend 5 minutes reading through it and it's worthless. Well, at least, it was free, and it's free other than the 5 minutes of your time that it costs you. So, but if it's super, if it helps you out in a good way, then, I think the upside reward is pretty pretty positive. So with that, I'm actually just going to wrap things up. We're going on 10 minutes here for the video. So as always, if you like this video and if you want me to keep on making the live trades, then click that like button. That's the easiest way to let me know that you're enjoying these. Comments are always appreciated too, but like I said, the easiest way to go about it, and I think the most time efficient for you, just click that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date whenever these new live trade videos are released. So thank you for watching. Everybody have a great rest of the week, and remember to always be out there trading without emotion.